I'll try to explain and show you Vainu CRM Connector in just 4 minutes. First step, you need to connect your CRM. We support HubSpot, Salesforce, Dynamics, and Pipedrive. I've already connected HubSpot. Then next step is to match companies. So basically the companies you have in your CRM, you need to match them with the companies we have in Vainu's database. We can use business ID, company name, or company website as a unique ID to establish the match. Then after that, very important part is to map the properties you want us to keep up to date. So Vainu supports companies, deals, contacts, tasks, and notes, so different type of objects, and you always pick and choose those data fields you want Vainu to keep up to date. So revenue, address, technologies in use, employee count, industries, and so on. And you can always decide if you want Vainu to update the information. So you can decide that if you want Vainu to overwrite the information you already have, or if you want Vainu to only update if that value, if you don't have any information in that data field in your CRM. And then finally, you decide if you want to do it automatically or if you want to do one-time update. So very easy to do so. Then what else? A couple of new features that we released lately. First is CRM Insights. So you can very easily analyze what type of companies you're prospecting and what type of companies you're going after. So these 465 companies that I have in my CRM, you can easily see how much revenue are they having, what are the most popular industry segments I'm going after. You can also see the technologies they use, how much web traffic are they getting, and also the regional map so that you can see how actively you prospect in different parts of the region or country. And then something called business impact. You could think of this as a return on investment analysis. So every time when you send new companies or if we create new opportunities from Vainu to your CRM, you can track if you close business with them. And you can also see if and how much Vainu is improving the data coverage for the important data points. So if Vainu is keeping that data up to date and enriching the missing information, you can easily see the Vainu impacts right here. And then for people doing prospecting, very easy to do so. You can create your own ICP list. In this case, Finnish companies using HubSpot. Then we also recently added contact data. So you can also pick and choose the decision maker you want to go after. In this case, I chose finance, HR, and legal decision makers, and you can send these companies and also these contacts to your CRM with one click, which is of course very nice. And then finally, you can also automate the whole prospecting by using Vainu workflow triggers. So if you have created a search or a list that includes your ideal customer profile companies, simply selecting this prospect on autopilot, it will notify your salespeople every time when we detect a new company that meets the criteria. Other very popular triggers are new decision makers, so that people get notified when there's a new decision maker in a company. And for all the customer success people, if you want to keep an eye on, for example, on financial statements, when your customers file new financial statements, you can get easily notified and do some extra research so that you can serve the customers in the best possible way. So as mentioned, in 4 minutes, you connect the CRM you want, then you match companies, you make sure that you have mapped the data fields the way you want, and you're good to go. You can put your prospecting and data enrichment on autopilot with Vainu. Thanks for watching.